The user toolbar feature of Eris has been completely overhauled for Eris 9.5 and incorporates a large number of enhancements. In this video, we will cover how to specify and edit the left and right click commands that are executed when a toolbar box is selected. We will also cover how to customize the text or icon and color display in the toolbar box. You cannot save a system toolbar, so in order to customize your toolbar, you will need to create a new custom toolbar first. That process is covered in another video, so if you haven't created a toolbar, you will need to do that first. The command executed by a toolbar box may be added in a couple of different ways. The first way is by adding the command from the Help menu. To do this, middle-click on the Eris menu button that executes the command that you want. In this case, we will get the Draw Single Alternating Lines command. This brings up the Help menu. Under the left-click Command String section, select the Add to Toolbar button. All of the user toolbar boxes will highlight. Eris will prompt to select the toolbar box where you want to place the command. Select the desired toolbar box. The icon or text from the menu will be placed in the selected user toolbar box. Click OK to close the Help menu. The other way to edit a toolbar box is directly in the User Toolbar Manager. Open the User Toolbar Manager by selecting the Preferences icon on the desktop menu, and then the User Toolbar button on the Customization pull-down menu. Next, click to the Toolbar Boxes page by selecting the button in the lower left corner of the menu. To select the individual box to be edited, scroll down the box number list and select the box that you want. The box number will highlight, and the box on the toolbar itself will also highlight. Another quick way to select the box to be edited is to actually select it on the toolbar itself. While the User Toolbar Manager is active, this will select the box in the Toolbar Manager rather than execute a command. Another shorter way to get to this point is to simply press and hold the Control key on the keyboard and then select the toolbar box that you want to edit. This brings up the User Toolbar Manager set to the Toolbar Boxes page with the toolbar box selected. The Toolbar Boxes page of the User Toolbar Manager shows the current user toolbar information in the upper left corner. It also shows the number of boxes on a slide bar list with the currently selected box highlighted. The right side of the menu contains all of the information for the current toolbar box. The display information is shown at the top, the left-click command in the middle, and the right-click command at the bottom. To add a left-click command, select the first line in the left-click command box and type the mnemonic command line string at the keyboard. You can add as many command strings as you want by selecting the Insert Line button and then selecting the line where the command line string is to be added. It's important to use the correct command line syntax for the command or it will not execute properly. You can clear the left-click command by selecting the Clear button to the left of the command display. For this example, I'm adding the Move Area command. When the toolbar box is selected with the left mouse button, this is the command that will be executed. Adding a right-click command is just like the left-click. Select the first line or the Insert Line button and enter the command line string at the keyboard. For our example, I'll use the Move Point command. When the user toolbar box is selected with the right mouse button, this is the command that will be executed. Now that we have the commands, we need to change the box display information to indicate the commands we have added. There are two basic types of display, icon and text. For our Move example, select the display type to toggle it to text, and then select the display text and enter the words Move Area. This is the text that will appear in the toolbar box. You can have up to 2 lines of text in the box. To indicate the line break, use the caret symbol, which is Shift-6 on the keyboard. For our example, I'm going to change this to just move, since we have a right-click command that moves a single point. If the display type is icon, then the display text will be the ARIS repeated item name for the RI to be used as the menu box icon. The last user toolbar box display option is color. The box may be displayed either with the text or icon in a foreground color with the background of the box in the basic menu gray, or with the text in white or icon in RI colors on a specified background color. The use of color can visually enhance your toolbar by grouping similar commands using the same color. In foreground mode, RI icons will always be in the colors that were used to create the RI. Text is limited to the menu range of colors 256 to 287 only. There are typical defaults listed on a choice menu when you select the display color box. For background colors, you can use any color in the ARIS color map, including the extended menu range of colors. A sample of how the box menu will look is shown on the right side of the current toolbar box display. When any change is made to the current user toolbar, you'll notice that the bar on the left end of the Save Current Toolbar button at the bottom of the menu turns yellow. This indicates that there are unsaved changes made to the user toolbar. Even if a change is made without the User Toolbar Manager up, such as adding a command through the menu help, ARIS and the User Toolbar Manager will know there are unsaved changes. It's important to save your toolbar by selecting the Save Current Toolbar button, thus making your changes permanent. If the bar on the left end of the Save Current Toolbar button is red, this indicates that the current user toolbar is a system toolbar that may not be changed. Any changes made when the bar is red will not be saved. Adding left and right click commands to your user toolbar and configuring the display of the toolbar boxes is very simple and fast. We've covered creating the toolbar itself and some of the more subtle and advanced features of the User Toolbar Manager in other videos. For more information on user toolbars, refer to the User Toolbar topic in the ARIS Encyclopedia.